Namaste. Most goshalas usually have a problem with their biogas plants. In fact, they want to install, but they don't thinking about issues. So today I'm with Mr. MSR Rao sir from Greeneria, who is going to explain us a lot of things about biogas in goshalas. Namaste, sir.
Namaste, namaste. First of all, thank you. First of all, I have to also uh, thank central government because they have a project called Gobardhan. In that Gobardhan, central government gives money to various goshalas to install biogas systems. We are very fortunate to have done 33 goshalas in UP. And as I speak to you, we are doing 28 goshalas in Assam, all sponsored by government. And recently, I've got another 17 projects in Andhra, where I'm doing goshalas in Tirupati, Dwarka Tirumala Temple, and many even that's very famous temple which is dealing with Ketu, very close to Kalahasti, Sri Kalahasti. So this is a beautiful program from central government. Apart from that, जिसको whatever goshalas are there, they want to install plant. We have different plants, right from starting from a small goshala, even one cow, they can have this kind of a plant. One cow also, one cow, 5 cows, 10 cows, whatever. Then they can also install large scale plants. We are one of the few companies who have installed goshala plants with IoT. The Goshala owner can sit in his chamber and find out how much gobar was used, how much gas was produced, and how much fertilizer was produced. So, with the help of IoT, latest technology, this kind of Goshalas are we making. So, Goshalas can benefit by putting a biogas system because it gives them LPG equivalent gas and fertilizer also. And fertilizer sometimes normally is a very slurry kind of thing. This dewatering machine which you manufacture makes it dry. A 1,000 liter of fertilizer will give almost 300 kgs of dry fertilizer. So we are revolving around biogas and goshalas business. Goshalas can be monetized. There are many people who just take care of nandis. But nandis, I just met a farmer and I've installed a system to them. 1,000 nandis he used to take care. Today, all is cooking and electricity is done by a biogas system. That is such a big comfort he is getting as, he is making some money out of so much of seva. So I strongly suggest that Goshala should adopt biogas systems.
So what about the issues like blockages and all? Do you also take care of those?
नॉर्मली ब्लॉकेजेस होता नहीं है लेकिन जब भी होता है वी टेक ऑपरेशन एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑल्सो वेन एवर इट इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड बिकॉज इट इज गोबर इवन खाने का वेस्ट भी डाल सकते हैं आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी पीपल नो अबाउट इट गोबर गिव्स 2% gas yield and food waste or meal leftovers will give 4% gas yield, double. So none of the organic waste is a waste, it is a resource.
Definitely. If people want to contact you, what is the best way to do that?
I have my website, I have my telephone numbers, and all the details are there.
We'll put that.
We are available and we work pan India. So we are very glad to be in this business, in this industry. It is a growing business. Thanks to Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and the policies of the central government, we are all benefiting in a very big way.
Yes. Especially the Govardhan policy that you mentioned.
Absolutely. The Gobardhan policy is a game changer. I will tell you one example in a UP because normally, whenever we have put a plant, we will ask for visitor ledger. So, one day, because the government officials and all that come, one of the, we employ the person in that village or forest. Many forests have this kind of plant set up by Yogi ji in UP. One day, the visitors were 3 cups, lion cups. So, the way Gobardhan is monetizing goshalas and saving many cows and nandis is unprecedented. If somebody is talking about Ramaraja, these are the steps.
And we hope that other states also follow the lead from UP and Assam and other places. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Namaste. Namaste. Thank you so much. Thank you.